Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can reset your password for your webmail address on cPanel. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I'm on a support article simply because I do not have access to cPanel. However, I'll be using this to explain everything, and it's very easy to follow. As you can see, it only has 6 easy steps. So let's get right into it. Now, of course, since you're the account owner, you will have the ability to manage your email address or your email account, and you'll be able to change the password very easily. And the way that you do this is you log into cPanel with the URL address, either the IP address of your server and then :2083, or your domain address and then :2083 or /cPanel, and it'll take you directly to your cPanel login. Just log in, and then you need to go into preferences and go into the user manager. Then in the search field or filter options, you can use it to narrow your search, locate your email address, and then click edit right next to it, change the password, click save, and that's pretty much it. If you can't find them here, you might be able to go to your email section in your cPanel, and then email users or email accounts, enter that, and then you might be able to edit your account from the link there. You should have a list of all your email accounts, and you should be able to edit them from there. However, this should work quite nicely, and that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.